Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter again with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope you're having a fabulous day today, and thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all, today I have some Labubu. I was able to snatch 4 Labubus from this nice girl named Karina on Facebook, so shout out to you, Karina. I actually was able to snatch 2 of the Have a Seat Labubus and 2 special limited edition ones, which I'll show you here in a minute. And also on this video, y'all, we're gonna unbox this 6-pack of the Big Into Energy series, so stick around for that. Hopefully we're gonna be able to get that secret. It's 1 out of 72 chance that I'll get a secret in this box, so y'all stick around for that, and we're gonna unbox these together. It's a blind box, of course, if you're not familiar with Labubu. All of these are like blind box openings, so you don't really know what you're gonna get. So y'all stick around for the unboxing of these, and I'm gonna show you my special edition and the Have a Seat that Miss Karina was able to sell me from Facebook Marketplace, so I was happy to get those. But before I show you any of this, I wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, and Labubus, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great stuff there as well, and shopping links. And y'all, with all that being said, if everybody could take a moment to give this video a like before you leave, hit that thumbs up button for me. I really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get on with this little Labubu haul. I'm gonna show you the Have a Seats first. Now, one was already open. I knew that when I went into getting them, so we're gonna do that one first. And here is the box here. So she had some that were repeats for her, and she had some for sale that she already knew she had, so she didn't want those, but that's why I was able to snatch them, but it has been opened. So let's open this one up and see what we have. This is the Have a Seat Labubu line, so we'll see. This is my first of the Have a Seats. So let's open it up here together and see what we got. I forgot which one this is actually, so it'll be a surprise to both of us. I've had these for a couple of days, and here is the bag. This is the new packaging that they come in now. The little bags are a little different. It used to be kind of a Mylar bag, so there's the top of the box, and I see the card down the bottom. I'm not gonna look at it this time because I ruined it last time for myself by looking at the card. So let's open up the little bag. Oh, and look, the little bag has the little Labubu teeth on the bag, so very nice. Let's see which Labubu we have here. Ready? Here we go. Alrighty. So cute, aren't they cute, y'all? I just love it. Look at the little charm that comes with it too. I love the little smiley faces. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see which one this one is because I'm not even sure myself, okay? Okay, it took me a minute, y'all. This one is Hee. So this is Hee, as you can see there on the bottom. It tells you on the bottom there. I can't read the Chinese, but it does have it in English there as well. So this is Hee, and that's his little card there. And isn't he just adorable? So, so cute. I love the little ring too, and everything on the ring, you know, matches the color of the ribbon on it there. So really, really cute, and I don't have to worry about this one being a fake Labubu because I know it's real. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Labubus, there is the little code there on the side. You can scan that. It'll take you to the Pop Mart site, and you'll be able to verify your Labubu. It also has a barcode on the little tag there too to match up with the Labubu. But this is Hee, and he's cute, I think. All right, y'all, so let's move on to the next one here. Now, this one hasn't been unboxed yet, so we're gonna unbox it together. It's completely sealed, and it's another Have a Seat. All right, so let's see which one we're gonna get. So we got Hee. Let's see which ones there are. There's Hee, Cici, Dada, Zizi, Baba, Gugu, and of course there is a secret there. So there's all the ones there that you can get there. So let's see which one we get here, okay? I'm gonna pull the box here. All right, and let's open it together. All right, y'all, the anticipation. All right, so this one is in the old style packaging. It's not the new, so this is what it used to look like, the Mylar. This is the older style packaging. So let's open it up and see which one we've got here. Of course, I ripped the bag. Alrighty, oh. Ta-da! Which one is this? All right, y'all, so this is Baba. All right, so I've got a Baba now. Thank you, Karina. I appreciate you for letting me have these Labubus. They're so cute. And like I said, this is my first 2 of the Have a Seat line. So he's adorable. Got the little ring on it. All right, y'all, so that is the second of the Have a Seat line. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna move on to the limited edition ones that I've got. They're so cute. I almost forgot to show y'all Bye-Bye's little card here. Here's the little card that came with Bye-Bye. Super cute, and there's his little name at the bottom. Okay, so let's move on to the special limited edition ones here. I think I'm gonna start with the first one, which is the Let's Checkmate version. And he is so cute. I don't know if this is supposed to be a boy or a girl, but it doesn't really matter. They're still super cute. And here it is, just adorable. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna take it out. All right, so I'm trying to be careful opening these up. Don't want to damage the box that they come in. All right, let's slide him out. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at the little crown and the little bow on it. So cute. This might be the cutest one I have so far, y'all, and it's holding like a little heart with a bow on it, if you can see that, with a pink heart and a bow. Super, super stinking cute, y'all. I love it. All right, y'all, she is adorable. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put her back in the box here, but she does have the little pendant ring on her too, as you can see there, to be able to hang on your bag. So super, super cute little Labubu. All right, so that is the first of the limited edition ones. Thank you again, Karina. And now this one is really, really cute, y'all. I'm gonna have to for sure keep this one for sure. And this one is the Wings of Fortune, and it's so cute. It's in like a navy blue color, and it has little yellow ears and a little gold outfit with wings and a little bag. So you know I'm definitely gonna have to keep this one, but let me show her to you. Here she is. Look how cute. Let me open it up so we can get a better look at her. All right, y'all, here she is. Let's slide her out. Look how adorable. So, so cute. Look at that little face, y'all. And I just love the color of her. She's got her little bag there and the little winged costume in that beautiful gold color. So cute. She's got the little yellow painted toenails. So adorable. I'm actually gonna take her off of here because I'm gonna put this on a bag now. All right, y'all, here she is. She's so stinking cute. Look at that little baby. Okay, y'all, so this is Wings of Fortune. I just love her. She's my favorite out of all of them. Look at the little wings on the back. So, so cute. I love the little toes. All right, y'all, so that is her. I'll have to name her something else to see the little ring that comes on it. And it's also a collaboration, I forgot to say. She's a collaboration with the Monsters here, as you can see on there, and this company called Pronounce, which I'm not sure what that's about, but that's why she's a little bit different. It's a collaboration with 2 different companies. So that is the Wings of Fortune. All right, y'all, now that you got to see the 2 Have a Seats and the 2 special edition Labubus I got, let's go ahead and get into this big Into Energy 6-pack and see what we got. Hopefully we're gonna get that secret, y'all. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. So it's already been cut open. I did not cut it open. All right, and then here is our little 6-pack here. You got 6 of the little single blind box Labubus. So let's see what we've got in here. All right, so there is the box on the first one. You got your barcode and everything on it. These all look legit, but we'll see. I'm gonna scan these later to make sure, but let's open it up and see which one we've got first here. Pull back the box here. All right. Let's get into the box. I don't want to damage the box any more than I have to. All right, so there is our bag. It's the old school packaging on it. I'm not gonna look at the card, y'all. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got here, y'all. Are you ready? Oh, I think this is one I already have. This is, I think, Serenity. But he's really cute and it looks really adorable. So really, really nice little Serenity. He's cute too. Look at him, y'all. Look at the little glittery eyes on the big Into Energy, and the little ring matches the ribbon on it. And they have kind of like an ombre look to them. I just think they're really cute. But this is Serenity, y'all. So let's see the little card that came in it just to make sure. All right, let's see. Yep, I'm right. Serenity. So there is Serenity's little card. All right, y'all, so that is the first one. Let me put it back up. All right, so that's blind box number 1. Let's go ahead and open up this number 2 one, okay? Here we go. 4 more to go. All right, y'all, let's open it and see. Let's get that secret. Secret, secret. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, here we go. Here's the baggie. All right. Open it up. Okay, ready? All right. Be a secret, be a secret, be a secret. Oh. All right, so it's not the secret. Yeah, this one is, I want to say this is Hope, but let me see. I'll look at the card and see. I'm kind of colorblind, so it's hard for me to tell sometimes, but she's adorable too. Very, very cute. And I love the little fur on them. And she has little toenails painted too, so super cute. Let's make sure this is Hope. I'm not for sure. And I was right, y'all. This is Hope, so she's really, really cute. All right, so that's Hope, y'all. That's the second one. So let's go ahead and we're gonna unbox that third one. All right, y'all, here's number 3. So let's see what we've got here. Opening up the packaging. All right. They could make these a little bit easier to get into. All right, y'all, here is the little baggie. And let's see which one we've got here. Hopefully this will be a little bit of a different one, or the secret. Be a secret. All right, so which one is this? I'm not even sure. Is this the same one I just got, or is this the blue one? I can't tell. Y'all tell me. All right, y'all, so super cute, and they all look legit too. That's what I was really happy of. Y'all don't know how the time I had with the Labubus. You'll have to watch my previous video about my Labubu if you aren't familiar. So, okay, so this one is Luck, so I don't have that one. So, okay. All right, so that's the Luck one. Really cute. All right, y'all, lucky number 4 here. Let's see what we've got in number 4. All right, here's the baggie. All right, y'all, what do we got here? Let's see. Okay, I really, really want the love. So hopefully it'll be love. If it's not the secret, be a love. Oh my God, it is the love. Y'all, so cute. I've been wanting this one for a while. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love that red and pink together. So, so cute. The little toes. So, so cute. So yeah, I know this is love, y'all, okay? And here is Love's little card. So yeah, there he is. So, so cute. All right, y'all, are we gonna have lucky number 5 here? Do we get the secret? We shall see. 1 out of 72. It's not looking too good, y'all. All right, let's open this one up. All righty. Come on, Pop Mart. Give me a secret. All right, here's the box. All right, come on, secret. I've got the one that I wanted, love, so even if it's not a secret in this box, I'm happy no matter what, y'all. All right, let's see what we've got here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So nope, I don't have this one, so this is another one I don't have. Maybe I'll keep this one too as well. This is Loyalty, so, so cute. And here is Loyalty's little card. So really cute. Love his little toes and his color and his little charm ribbon and a hang tag thingy. So, so cute. All right, Loyalty. So Loyalty is number 5. We got one more to unbox, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have faith that this last one, number 6, is definitely gonna be the secret. So let's see what we've got here. I have my toes crossed. All right, y'all. You think after 5 or 6, you'd be a professional at this, but all right, here is the box opening up. Okay, let's see what we've got going inside here. Here is the bag. All right, there's the baggie. All right, let's see if we got a secret in this 6-pack or not. What do y'all think? Okay, last chance, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Not a secret. Aw. Okay, but this is Happiness. He's really cute, so Happiness will probably not be so happy because I'll probably sell him and get rid of him so I can get a different one. But I don't want to have repeats of the same one, so that's why I did that. But this is number 6, Happiness. He's still really cute. What do y'all think? All right, and has the same little ring and charm there. So that is Happiness, the last of my little Big Into Energy 6-pack. So no secret for me this time, y'all. Maybe on the next one. All right, y'all, here's some of them together. They're super cute. I love, love, love the Wings of Fortune one. I'll definitely be keeping her. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing of the 6-pack of the Big to Energy series Labubus. I love them. I think they're adorable, and I think they're super cute, especially as bag charms. I appreciate you tuning in to watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And also don't forget to give me a like on the way out. I do appreciate that. I'll see everybody on my next video review. Bye.